Hey there, if you're always on the move but still crave healthy and tasty meals, you're in for a treat. Today, I'm sharing 7 quick and delicious vegetarian lunchbox ideas that are perfect for any busy week. Whether you're prepping for work, school, or just need grab-and-go options, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. First up, we have the Quinoa and Veggie Power Bowl. Quinoa is a fantastic base because it's packed with protein, fiber, and all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source. Plus, it's super easy to cook. Just cook up a batch of quinoa at the start of the week and you're good to go. For the veggies, you can use whatever you have on hand. I love adding roasted sweet potatoes, bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, and a handful of spinach. Top it off with a drizzle of your favorite dressing, hummus, tahini, or a simple olive oil and lemon combo work great. This bowl is not just nutritious, but also incredibly filling and satisfying. Next, let's talk about chickpea salad wraps. Chickpeas are an amazing source of plant-based protein and are rich in essential vitamins and minerals like iron and folate. For these wraps, you'll want to mash some chickpeas in a bowl and mix them with diced cucumbers, tomatoes, red onion, and a spoonful of Greek yogurt or vegan mayo. Add some salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice to bring it all together. Spread the chickpea salad onto a whole wheat tortilla, add some greens like spinach or arugula, and wrap it up. These wraps are super quick to prepare and perfect for a light yet filling lunch. Number 3 on our list is a Veggie Stir Fry with brown rice. This one's a great option if you have leftover veggies in your fridge that need to be used up. Just saute your favorite vegetables, broccoli, carrots, snap peas, mushrooms, whatever you like, in a bit of olive oil. Add some garlic and ginger for flavor and a splash of soy sauce or tamari. Serve your stir-fried veggies over a bed of brown rice. You can cook the rice ahead of time and store it in the fridge, making this meal super easy to assemble in the morning. Brown rice is a whole grain that provides more fiber, vitamins, and minerals compared to white rice, making it a healthier option. It's a warm, comforting option that's still healthy and balanced. Now let's mix things up with a Caprese pasta salad. This is a great cold lunch option, especially on those warmer days when you don't feel like eating something hot. Start with your favorite pasta. I like using whole wheat or chickpea pasta for a healthier twist. Mix the cooked pasta with cherry tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, and basil leaves. Drizzle with a bit of balsamic vinegar and olive oil, and season with salt and pepper. The flavors in this salad are simple, but absolutely delicious, and it's one of those dishes that tastes even better as it sits, making it perfect for meal prep. Coming in at number 5 is lentil soup in a jar. Soup might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of lunchboxes, but trust me, it's a game changer, especially when it's packed with protein-rich lentils. Lentils are a great source of plant-based protein and are also rich in iron, which is crucial for maintaining energy levels. Make a big batch of lentil soup on Sunday night with ingredients like onions, carrots, celery, garlic, and, of course, lentils. Season it with cumin, turmeric, and a pinch of chili flakes for a bit of heat. Portion it out into mason jars and just grab one on your way out the door. It's a hearty, comforting option that'll keep you full all afternoon. Number 6 is spinach and feta stuffed pitas. This is a great Mediterranean-inspired lunch that's easy to put together. Start by sautéing some spinach with garlic until it's wilted. Spinach is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and calcium, making it a superfood for your lunch. Mix it with crumbled feta cheese and a touch of lemon zest for a fresh, tangy flavor. Stuff this mixture into whole wheat pita pockets. You can eat these cold or heat them up if you have access to a microwave. Either way, they're delicious and packed with nutrients. Finally, we have a Greek yogurt parfait. This might sound more like a breakfast option, but it's a fantastic light lunch, especially if you're in a hurry. Greek yogurt is loaded with protein and probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health. Layer it with your favorite fruits, berries, bananas, mangoes, whatever's in season. Add a handful of granola for some crunch and a drizzle of honey for sweetness. Pack it in a mason jar or a reusable container and you're good to go. It's refreshing, satisfying, and super easy to throw together. So there you have it, 7 quick and healthy vegetarian lunchbox ideas for the week. These meals are easy to prepare and packed with nutrients to keep you energized throughout the day. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.